Hello everyone, I am AMJAD HUSSAIN, faculty of HI department from Ashtavakra Institute of Rehabilitation Sciences and Research. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on the topic gender equality, that is women education with reference to special education. Let's have an overview on gender issues. There is ample evidence that women with disability experience major psychosocial problems including depression, stress, lowered self-esteem and social isolation, which remains largely neglected. Evidences also suggest that women tend to be restricted to home-based activities, while men are likely to be supported in more public and outward-looking avenues. In the education scene as well, discrimination on account of gender has been reported in many studies. Therefore, the needs of girls with disabilities may be more special than needs of any other group and have to be addressed in all spheres of education. According to the Census Report 2011, the Census 2011 showed that 8.3% of the total households in the country are having disabled persons, of which 71% are in rural areas. Among the disabled population, 56% are males, whereas 44% are the females. Among the disabled children aged 5 to 19 years who were attending educational institutions, 43% are female children. Let's have a view on educational status of education of women with disabilities. So 45% female with disabilities are literates. Illiteracy was high among female disabled in rural areas. Women education refers to an education that aims to bringing improvement in knowledge, attitude and skill in women. Indian Constitution as well gives guarantee for equal rights for both men and women. Now see what is the importance of women education. Women education is essential for economic development and prosperity of the country. It is essential for economic empowerment. It is essential for the better life, for better health and better self-esteem and the justice. If we see women education in ancient India, then we find that women had access to education during Vedic period. Up to 500 BC, women enjoyed education equally, but later on there was a decline in it. If we see the women education in medieval India, we find that Parda system that time played a vital role in restricting education of women in India. Sati Pratha, child marriages like issues also hampered education of women during this period. And if we talk about the women education in British period, colonial India, so we find that women education was improved a little bit during this period. And if we talk about women education in modern India, we find that after independence, due emphasis was given to women education and female literacy rate reached up to 65.46% in 2011. And the Kerala has the highest female literacy rate now. The poor condition of women education in India are because of some reasons. Those reasons are poor enrollment rate, dowry system, early marriages, poverty and priority to male education. So there are some strategies on which we can work upon. These are make classroom gender sensitive, recruiting those teachers who are more sensitive to gender issues and girl rights, and we can remove gender biasness from textbooks and learning materials. Also, there is a need to make arrangement for alternative education, and we should encourage girls' participation in education, and we should ensure cleanliness and hygiene in school environment. So if we talk about Indian context, there are some schemes that have been launched in context of women's education like Kasturba Gandhi Balika Vidyalaya scheme, National Program for Education of Girls at Elementary Level, Sakshar Bharat Mission for Female Literacy, Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, etc. So I think you might have understood all the topic that we have discussed today. So we will be here for with another topic. Till then, thank you.